6 best practices to boost your energy levels. Feeling low on energy. It happens to all of us. Low energy can make even the simplest tasks impossible, whether it's the mid-afternoon slump, constant fatigue, or a lack of motivation. The good news is there are simple, effective ways to recharge your energy and feel your best. In this video, we are going to talk about 6 best practices to boost your energy levels naturally. These tips are easy to follow, and the results can make a huge difference in your day-to-day life. Number 6. Get quality sleep. We can't talk about energy without mentioning sleep. It's your body's natural way of recharging. When you sleep, your brain and body go into repair mode, helping you recover from the day and get ready for the next. But it's not just about how many hours you're in bed. The quality of your sleep is just as important as the quantity. The first step to improving your sleep is sticking to a consistent schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, trains your body's internal clock. This routine makes it easier to fall asleep at night and wake up feeling refreshed in the morning. Another important factor is your bedtime routine. What you do in the hour before sleep can make or break your rest. Your sleep environment also plays a big role in how well you rest. Aim for a room that's dark, quiet, and cool. Blackout curtains can block light from outside, or you can use a sleep mask if that's easier. If noise is a problem, try earplugs or a white noise machine to create a peaceful atmosphere. Keeping the room slightly cool also helps your body relax and drift into deeper sleep. Finally, if you're still feeling drained after 7 to 8 hours of sleep, it's time to take a closer look at your daytime habits. Are you drinking coffee late in the afternoon? Too much caffeine can linger in your system and make it hard to fall asleep. Or maybe you're eating heavy meals too close to bedtime, which can make your body work overtime when it should be resting. Making small tweaks to these habits can lead to better rest and higher energy levels, giving you the recharge you need to tackle the day. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Did you know that dehydration can seriously drain your energy levels? Your body depends on water to function properly, and when it doesn't get enough, everything from your brain to your muscles starts to slow down. The simplest way to combat dehydration is by drinking water consistently throughout the day. A good target is about 8 to 10 cups, but remember that everyone's needs are different. If you're active, sweating a lot, or it's a particularly hot day, your body will need even more to stay hydrated. Sometimes plain water isn't enough, especially if you've been sweating or losing electrolytes. To give your hydration a boost, try adding a pinch of salt to your water or mixing in a splash of coconut water. These natural electrolytes help your body retain fluids and maintain energy levels. It's also important to keep an eye on your caffeine and alcohol intake. While a cup of coffee or tea can give you a quick pick-me-up, too much caffeine can dehydrate you over time. Alcohol has a similar effect, leaving you feeling even more drained the next day. Moderation is key here to keep your energy steady. One simple but effective habit is to start your day with a large glass of water. Number 4. Eat energy-boosting foods. Food is your body's fuel, and what you eat has a direct impact on how energetic you feel throughout the day. If you're constantly feeling drained, it might be time to reassess what's on your plate. The key is to focus on foods that provide long-lasting energy rather than quick fixes that leave you crashing. Whole grains are a great place to start. Foods like oatmeal, brown rice, and whole grain bread are packed with complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly into your bloodstream. This steady release helps you avoid those midday energy slumps that often come from eating sugary or processed foods. Protein is another must-have for sustained energy. Eggs, nuts, yogurt, and lean meats like chicken or turkey not only keep you full, but also help repair and build your muscles, which is crucial if you're active. Including a source of protein in every meal can make a huge difference in how energized you feel throughout the day. Breakfast, often called the most important meal of the day, really does set the tone for your energy levels. Skipping it might save time, but it can leave you feeling sluggish later on. A balanced breakfast that includes a mix of carbs, protein, and healthy fats, like a slice of whole grain toast with avocado and an egg, can give you a solid energy foundation to start your day. One thing to avoid is sugary snacks and heavily processed foods. While they might give you a quick energy boost, the inevitable crash will leave you feeling worse than before. Instead, Focus on balanced meals and snacks that combine nutrients like fiber, protein, and healthy fats. These keep your blood sugar stable and provide energy that lasts longer. Making these small but powerful changes to your diet can transform your energy levels and help you power through your day. Number 3. Move your body. Exercise might seem counterintuitive when you're feeling drained, but it's one of the most effective ways to boost your energy levels. It's like hitting a reset button for your body and mind, helping you feel more awake and refreshed. Even on your most tiring days, a little movement can go a long way. If you're not sure where to start, keep it simple. A 10-minute walk outdoors can do wonders for increasing blood flow, waking up your muscles, and clearing your mind. The fresh air and light movement are often enough to lift your energy and mood. Plus, it's easy to fit into your day, no matter how busy you are. The trick to staying consistent is finding exercises you enjoy. Whether it's a calming yoga session, a high-energy dance workout, or lifting weights at the gym, choosing activities that make you happy will motivate you to stick with them. When exercise feels like fun rather than a chore, it becomes something you look forward to rather than dread. Don't underestimate the power of stretching, especially if you spend most of your day sitting. Regular breaks to stretch your neck, shoulders, back, and legs can keep your muscles from stiffening up and improve your circulation. Even a few minutes of stretching every couple of hours can make a big difference in how energized you feel by the end of the day. What's the magic behind exercise? It releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which instantly boost your energy and mood. The best part is you don't have to spend hours in the gym. Small, consistent efforts like a short daily workout or even dancing around your living room can have a lasting impact on your energy levels. With just a little movement every day, you'll find yourself feeling more vibrant and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Number 2. Manage stress levels. Stress is one of the biggest energy drains out there. It can zap your mental and physical energy, leaving you feeling drained even if you haven't done much at all. Over time, stress builds up and can take a toll on both your body and your mind, making it harder to stay energized. That's why it's crucial to find ways to manage and reduce stress in your daily life. One powerful way to combat stress is by practicing mindfulness. Taking a few moments each day for deep breathing exercises or meditation can help calm your mind and lower stress levels. Even if you're not into formal meditation, simply sitting quietly for a few minutes and focusing on your breath can do wonders for resetting your mind and bringing a sense of peace. If you're feeling overwhelmed by tasks and responsibilities, staying organized can make a huge difference in how you handle stress. When everything feels like it's piling up, take a step back and write down your to-do list. Prioritize the most important tasks and tackle them one at a time. Breaking things down into manageable steps can help you feel more in control and less stressed out. Making time for hobbies is another great way to recharge your mind and relieve stress. Whether it's painting, gardening, reading, or playing an instrument, doing something you love can take your mind off the stresses in your life and give you a sense of accomplishment and relaxation. Hobbies are not only a fun escape, but also a valuable way to replenish your mental energy. Learning to manage stress doesn't just improve your energy, it also enhances your overall quality of life. When you're less stressed, you're more present in the moment, more productive, and most importantly, more energetic. Taking steps to reduce stress can have a profound impact on how you feel every day. Number 1. Take breaks and rest smart. Pushing through when you're exhausted might feel like you're being productive, but in reality, it's often counterproductive. Your brain and body can only function at their best if they're given regular breaks. Without proper rest, your energy levels start to drop, and you'll find it harder to stay focused and efficient. That's why learning to take breaks is essential for maintaining long-term energy. One effective method is the 50-10 rule. Work for 50 minutes, then take a 10-minute break. This simple strategy helps keep your energy levels up and your mind sharp. During your break, step away from your work, stretch, walk around, hydrate, or even just rest your eyes. This short time away allows your brain to recharge and improves focus when you return to your tasks. Power naps are another fantastic way to boost energy. It may sound counterintuitive to rest when you're busy, but a 15 to 20-minute nap can work wonders. It's just enough time to give your body a quick reset without making you feel groggy. After a power nap, you'll feel refreshed and ready to take on the next task with renewed energy and focus. Sometimes, the best way to recharge is by simply stepping outside. Fresh air and natural sunlight can instantly lift your mood and energy levels. Whether it's a quick walk around the block or just standing outside for a few minutes, being outside helps you feel more awake and alert. The change in environment can help clear your mind and improve your focus. Listen to your body, it's one of the best ways to stay energized. If you feel tired or mentally drained, don't ignore it. Resting doesn't mean you're lazy, it means you're being smart about conserving your energy for the long haul. Taking breaks and giving yourself time to recharge is essential for staying productive and maintaining your overall well-being. Boosting your energy levels doesn't have to be complicated. By focusing on quality sleep, staying hydrated, eating the right foods, moving your body, managing stress, and taking smart breaks, you can feel more energized and productive every single day. Remember, small, consistent changes lead to big results. Pick one or two of these practices to start with and build from there. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel in just a few weeks. Now it's your turn. Which of these practices will you try first? Let us know, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who could use an energy boost too.